Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The topic for today's video is how I can place orders on Temu app and pay for them. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and please do not skip the video. Let's get started with the process without wasting any time. Guys, you can see there's this option of Temu app on my screen. I'll click it. After clicking it, it brings me to this home page where I have a lots of products out of which I can choose any, or I can go to the categories option and see the suggested products and choose if I want any of them. And then I have an option of searching for products of my choice by searching in the search bar that is located on the top of my screen. After I click it, I can select any option or search for the product of my choice. After that, I'll select any option that I want or any product that I want. For example, I click this one. After this, I will see if there's any specification option. If there's any specification option, I'll click it. Otherwise, I'll add it to my cart. After being done adding products to my carts, I'll click my cart. Guys, you can see here I have added products to my cart and now I can check out or remove anything if I don't want. I'll click check out. Guys, I will continue to check out. After this, I have to add my details of my address. Make sure you add the correct details to get a smooth delivery. After you have added your address, it will ask you for the options of paying. That includes PayPal and other options. You can choose one option out of all the options and add your credentials. After adding your credentials, you can proceed to check out. Guys, this was an easy process in which you can place your order and pay for your orders. I hope you liked my video and understood the process. If you understood the process and liked it, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.